follow your advice. I love the anime very much. Her stepmother is so she doesn't like to support her stepson. I can do everything for the anime. If you wear this shirt, you won't enough despite her stepmother. Are we meant to be together? If you make your stepmother cry, you will be what else do that? Hey, hello. Don't hurt me again. I have to go. By the way, thank you for your kindness.
Hello, hello.
I will not surrender. You're the one who's crazy. If I were the enemy, I would kill you. Nakakanga, gabi ka mo. Wag itak nabuksan. Your classmate there in the front will suffer. Nakakanga, someone else will. Don't worry about them. Sometimes I always care for you. I love Will Madam Gay be famous? Will Michelle be promoted? Will Julian cure the curse of the anime? Will the anime become beautiful?